Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. If you've ever wanted to make videos that look like they were edited by the pros, you're in the right place. Like the thumbnail says, today we're diving into how to make top quality videos that actually feel professional. But here's the catch. If you skip ahead or just watch a part of it, you're gonna miss out on the magic. Stick with me till the end because I'm walking you through every trick and technique step by step. And trust me, your videos will level up big time.